Moving along now, it is that time of the year already. You're encouraged to save the date for February 22nd through the 23rd in order to attend this year's Nebraska Women in Agriculture Conference, once again taking place in Kearney. This conference will focus on the 5 areas of agricultural risk management, which are production, market, financial, human, and legal risk. Market Journal's Bill Dodd is standing by now with more details on this year's event. Bill?
Thanks, Bryce. It is indeed that time of year again. The 39th Annual Women in Ag Conference will be held from February 22nd through the 23rd at the Holiday Inn Convention Center in Kearney, Nebraska. Now, this event will feature a wide variety of over 20 workshops and words of wisdom from multiple keynote speakers. This annual conference will bring producers together with experts from a wide variety of agricultural disciplines that will leave attendees feeling empowered, enlightened, and connected to each other and their respective operations. While the event kicks off in earnest on February 22nd, conference attendees who may have previously wondered what entity is best for their farm or ranching operations will have an option to attend a pre-conference workshop on business entity selection on February 21st.
So we're really excited to be back in Kearney February 22nd and 23rd. And we actually start on the 21st with a pre-conference event that's very exciting. And we're going to be talking about entity selection for farms and ranches. So we'll have an awesome attorney, Katie Samples Dean, as well as a CPA, working together to talk about the pros and cons of each type of entity. Of course, then we kick off our regular event on Thursday and Friday. And we'll start with Dr. David Cole, who is a renowned economist who's going to be talking about the current market conditions. And we'll also be featuring Ashley Machado, a mental health specialist who specifically works in agriculture from California. The Nebraska Women in Agriculture event, I think, is pretty unique in the state of Nebraska. We feature 5 general session speakers and over 25 workshops. So regardless of what aspect of the industry that you're involved in, we've got something for you. So whether you're a new and beginning producer or whether you're a non-operating landowner, you can find something that you can work on and the skills that you can build through our event.
While this conference is designed with agricultural professionals in mind, it is a great event for agricultural students as well. This year, any student who may be attending a 2- or 4-year college or happens to be a 4-H or FFA member are free to apply for one of 15 scholarships to attend the conference.
We do actually have scholarships available for students, both high school and college students. So if you are interested in those scholarships, again, visit our website and those applications are due February 1st.
If you're planning on attending this year's conference, now is the time to book your rooms and a spot at the event. Booking early will earn you a discounted rate to attend the conference, and there's only a limited time left to catch the early enrollment window.
Yep, so again, we do have a hotel block that will expire here at the end of January. But even if that hotel block has expired, you'll still have access to the many hotels that are in the region. So if you register with us before February 7th, there is a discounted rate. That rate does go up on February 8th, and you can find all of that information on our website, wia.unl.edu.
So to recap, the Nebraska Women in Ag Conference will be held at the Holiday Inn Convention Center in Kearney, Nebraska from February 22nd through the 23rd, with a special pre-conference kickoff event happening on the 21st if you would like to arrive early. Early bird registration is available until February 7th with the full conference price of $150 and a one-day charge of $90. The full conference registration price will increase to $175. Also, if you have a guest that you would like to bring along for lunch, that can also be arranged for a $25 charge as well. Of course, life does get in the way sometimes, and if you have to cancel for any reason, you will receive a full refund of your registration fee if you cancel by February 18th. Or receive a 50% refund if canceled by February 20th. In short, this event is going to be a great opportunity for participants to learn how to better manage risk, improve their farms and ranches, as well as learning to further boost their success as operators and business partners. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the event and how you can attend, you're encouraged to visit the Women in Ag homepage at wia.unl.edu. Bryce, we'll send it back to you.